My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm your IELTS speaking examiner. Are you ready to take the test?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So, how often do you listen to music? How often do you listen to music? Frequency, every day, every week, once a day, twice a day, like that.
When I was in bad mood, then to remove
When I am in a bad mood.
when I am in the bad mood, I want to remove.
Speak loudly, please.
When I am in the bad mood, I want to relax myself. Then I prefer to listen some music.
Very good. This is very nice. Be confident. Okay. Don't worry at all. Just relax. You answered well. So just keep it up. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Do you think music changes our mood?
Yes, it is.
It does.
It does.
Do you
Okay.
think music changes? So yes, it does.
Yes, it does, because the music are about our feelings. There are different types of music which have different feelings, different moods. Then it change our mood.
What's your favorite type of music?
It's classic, slow musics.
Why?
Because I'm a shy personality, and
Okay, no problem. It's the first speaking test, so
Yes,
you'll
sir.
be fine. Never say musics, singular, right? And then you took pauses which you need to overcome, right? Usually, when do you listen to music? In the morning, afternoon, or at night?
afternoon.
Why?
Afternoon, I'm doing different types of work at home. Then I prefer loud music. with my
Okay,
work.
okay, that's good. But just try to answer in 4-5 sentences, okay? You'll be fine. Let's move on. Your cue card topic is describe a time when you told your friend an important truth, and then the points. So please, you can start.
At the time of university, when in 2016, I have a friend, Amara Hadatullah, and one day we were talking about a school bunk. That me and my friend had bunked the school. Then I told her about my school bunk when I was in grade 5 with my 3 friends, Sadia, Amara, and Maria. We bunked our school during break. We go to nearby town to visit it. And my friend, after listening that, she was surprised that how could you thought about that. Then I said that it was really good too. We suddenly planned to bunk our school, and we will go to visit nearby town.
All right. The good thing is you spoke for 1 minute. Say, oh, hi, really? Okay. So you said we were go to nearby and all that. Well, again, let me tell you, there's a lot of hesitation in you, right? You need to overcome that, number 1. Number 2, make yourself familiar with IELTS speaking. Because these things we don't discuss them in our day-to-day life, right? Favorite color and shopping and this and that. So just try to make yourself used to it. Then I found pauses and grammatical mistakes, like in the past tense you are using present. You said we go to, I have a friend in school. It should have been I had a friend. We go to, it should have been we went to. Okay, so grammatical mistakes and lot of hesitation with pauses. Just try to overcome that. Now let's go on. Do you think we should tell truth all the times?
No, we don't need to tell truths all the time, because sometimes they are bad for us by telling these truths to the others.
Okay, so again you can add 2 to 3 sentences, because in part 3 we call it discussion, follow-up questions. So examiner wants at least 5-6 sentence answer. How do you know when others are telling the truth?
By their body language, their postures, their way in which they are speaking, we can we can observe that they are speaking truth or not.
Okay. Do you think it is important to win the game or to follow the rules?
It is important to follow the rules. If you follow the rules, then you must win the game.
Okay, now this is the short answer. You need to go on and say because and this and that and all that. Okay, so still you should overcome your hesitation, make yourself familiar with speaking pattern. The books which I have shared with you, go through them, it will be fine. At present, I'll give you a band 5, but let me tell you, this is just because of your nervousness and confusion and all that. You will be fine in the next test. I mean, the way I look at it, you can achieve 6 to 6.5, okay? But you should just polish yourself, right?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.